Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add products in Gumroad. First, log in to your Gumroad account. Once you are logged in, head over to the Products tab, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Next, click the prominent New Product button. This action will prompt you to select the type of product you wish to sell, such as a digital product, a course, or a physical good. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's dive into the specifics of your product. Give your product a memorable and descriptive name that accurately reflects its content. Craft a compelling description that tells potential customers exactly what they'll gain from purchasing it. Be sure to highlight its unique features and benefits. Finally, set your price. Gumroad takes a small percentage, typically around 10% for new creators, so factor that into your pricing strategy. With your details in place, it's time to upload your product files. Make sure all your digital assets are correctly formatted and ready for immediate download. Next, personalize your product page. Upload an eye-catching cover image and a compelling thumbnail to attract buyers. You can also add a short video to showcase your product. Remember, a visually appealing page can significantly boost your sales. Before hitting publish, take a moment to review everything. Double-check your product name, description, files, and pricing to ensure accuracy. Once you are confident, click the Publish button to make your product available to the world. After publishing, Gumroad provides a unique link for your product. Share this link widely across your social media channels, email lists, and website to start generating sales. It's that simple to launch your offering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.